Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to come to you with a Stoney Clover unboxing, and this is from their homecoming collection, which I realize is now 2 collections ago, but I wanted to wait to do this until all my customized items came in, and now they're all here and it's a lot. So couple of big boxes here. I was kind of sad. My order did not end up coming with the, sorry, there's a leaf on the ground, with the pennant. So I missed out on that, which was a little disappointing. And it took a long time. It didn't take a long time to ship. It actually shipped very quickly, but shipping took a long time, which is why this video is only coming up now. So anyway, in one of my shipments, I got the homecoming postcard and sticker, and the other one I just got the regular Stoney Clover postcard and sticker, which is also kind of sad. So a sad beginning to this unboxing. Let's start though with the non-customized items, and I apologize, this is going to be loud. The packaging is really pretty, but it's just really loud, so I'm going to take the loudest part out. Okay, so this was the second order I placed, which was non-customized, where I focused more on mauve. And this is this pretty pink color. It's different than guava, which is an older color that they had. So first up, I grabbed this notebook. I love using these for work. And I thought this is like a nice pink. It's like kind of, it's pink, right? But it's not like a crazy neon. It's not like bubblegum. I think it's more of a professional looking pink. So I grabbed the notebook, and then I got this glam pouch. This is a pre-customized pouch. Sorry, I know it's loud. The bag's falling. Pre-customized pouch that says glam. I love using these small pouches for travel. This is also in the mauve. You can see it's slightly different than the vegan leather, but it's the same color technically. And then these little items. I got the slim, I think, yeah, this is the slim headband, also in mauve, but it actually looks really light compared, it looks really light in color. This is like a super light pink. I did not expect that. This more matches the letters than it does the pouch. So let me put it on. I look all crazy because I've been working and I just wanted to get this done quickly. But that's very cute. It's snug and it's a little bit longer than like a Lily one, I'm feeling like. But it's very cute. And then the other two things are a chocolate scrunchie and a mauve scrunchie. Cute. I'm surprised what a different color this is. Is it too much? Never enough. Okay, then we get into the customized items, and this is where it's more exciting for me. Again, it's gonna be loud, so sorry. Oh, I can already see it. Okay. Let me start with, I got a couple chocolate items. I was really loving the chocolate color. So I got this standard fanny pack with an M on it. Throw away the silica. If you know, you know. Really cute. I love using these for like morning walks, for like more casual times when I don't want to take a Chanel bag. The nylon's really nice. I like that this one's more neutral. I've been getting more into browns. And this collegiate patch is really nice. It's actually 2 different colors of browns on the patch for like better contrast. So that's really cute, and it goes with the scrunchie. And the other chocolate item I got, oh, this is really cute. I also customized, I got a notebook with my initials on it. My last name is not Shops. My last name starts with a C. So cute. MC. So these are just really good for taking notes in meetings, journaling. You could put a book in here. It's a good book cover to like protect your book while traveling or in your bag. Super fun. Okay, so that was chocolate. Now we're transitioning from chocolate back into mauve. The next piece I grabbed, oh wait, no, one more chocolate item. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, my phone just said low battery. I wonder what that will look like. So I better hurry up. Anyway, so I got the chocolate coin pouch with my initials on it also. So cute. This is really good for like cards or like extra, I like to use it for like extra gift cards or cards that don't fit in my wallet necessarily. It's also good for keys. And so it's like a cute little set, neutral moment. All right, so that's chocolate. Now I'll transition back to mauve with the pink letters. Those are the mini varsity letters, letter varsity. And then I grabbed a mauve clear front with my name on it. Ah, so loud. These clear fronts were unique to this collection, and I really like them because for a second it looked like this D was a different color than this one. Are you seeing that? It doesn't look like it in real life, but it looked like it on camera. I think it's the ring light, the way the ring light's hitting it. Anyway, so the clear fronts, they used to make them and they brought them back special for this collection, but they're fun because when you put your items inside, you can kind of see them. So I need to take all the stuffing out. You can see. I don't know if I have anything kind of pretty to put in. Maybe this flower. See, so cute. So it's like easy and you can kind of find your stuff more easily. So these are good in like tote bags and never fulls. I might try and use this one like more for travel with chargers. Oh, there's still some tissue in there. I appreciate the packaging, but also it makes me crazy. And it also makes it hard. I feel like it's that "Don't Be Suspicious" song every time Stoney Clover comes to the house. So that's super cute. And this will go super well with the next item and final item, the backpack with the pearl letters. The pearl letters are some of my favorites from Stoney Clover. And I don't have a drawstring backpack like this. They made one for Terry. So this is new to me, but it's really cute. So there's no interior pocket. It's just one big pocket. There's little hardware on the poles. I would say that this is like Michael Kors quality, Kate Spade quality backpack. So like very high quality. Obviously it's not like Chanel or anything like that, but very high quality. This is very well made. And then the little faux leather handle and adjustable straps. So cute. Let me put something in it. It might look cuter. Maybe you can see how much stuff fits in here. So I also have a bunch of stuff coming to me from the Paris collection. It's been a very exciting Stoney Clover couple of weeks for me. So I am going to be on a small Stoney Clover hiatus after I receive the Paris collection stuff, but I was really loving this color. It's kind of more of an adult pink to me, if that makes sense. Like it's less of a like obnoxious, this will not fit, I don't think. Less of an, like, not obnoxious, but it's more of a mature, more of a professional pink. Excuse me, I'm like choking on nothing. Okay, so in here I put 2 notebooks, a coin pouch, and 2 smalls. That's a lot of stuff. Okay. And I'm buckling it. I like the buckle for security. Maybe I want to use the last buckle. That looks better. There you go. So cute. I probably wouldn't use it this full, but when you're in a pinch, that's what it looks like. Anyway, so just a really quick video to share what I picked up from the homecoming collection. This collection is still available online. There are a bunch of different colors and options available. I think the jumbo fanny sold out, but I think this backpack's still available. I think the clear sold out, but the glam pouch is still available. So go check it out on Stoney Clover if you're interested. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like Stoney Clover videos. I know I've been kind of switching between, you know, Chanel, Stoney, Louis Vuitton, Stoney, but it's just a fun little addition. You know, you can't take a Chanel bag everywhere that you go. Sometimes you want something a little bit more down to earth, a little bit more like rough and tumble, something you don't have to worry about. And that's exactly what this is. So, plus you can always put a wallet on chain in here and then use it whenever you get to where you're going. So hopefully that was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, give it a thumbs up if you like Stoney Clover videos, and otherwise I will talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.